Next is coming to cosmetics and chemistry. So cosmetics are substances which basically are used to enhance your appearance and also to provide hygiene. Okay, so these cosmetics like lipsticks, your toothpaste, your foundations, your creams, your powders, your sunscreens, your shampoos, okay, your detergents, your soaps, all these are having a number of chemical substances with them. And it is the study of the chemistry, it is a role of the chemist here who is going to decide what are the various substances which can go. That is, what are the pH stabilizers, what are the emulsifiers he can use, how much quantity of water he can use, and what are the emollients we can use, what are the different types of substances and in what right proportion they have to be used in order to get the product of the desired quality. Okay, and also when you come to the lipstick, you have so many shades, isn't it? How are these shades going to be mixed? How is the pigments going to be mixed to get a particular shade? All this is worked out by a chemist. So in the cosmetic industry, the chemistry plays a very, very important role, and with later developments and advancements in chemistry, we have more and more products in cosmetics, and these products are used to enhance the beauty in a better and better way. We are getting more and more effective products. One of the latest technology that has been implemented in the cosmetic industry is the nanotechnology. Nanotechnology uses the particles, that is the nanoparticles, which are of the thickness of 10 to the power of -9 meters. Okay, such tiny particles. Okay, and when the substance is embedded in such tiny particles, the penetration is more and the efficiency of this particular product is going to increase. For example, the titanium dioxide nanoparticles which are used in the sunscreen, they are so effective and they so smoothly spread over your skin that they protect the skin from the harmful rays of the sun. And also these nanoparticles are used in the perfume industry, wherein the perfume is impregnated in these particles and it lasts for a longer time. So this is the advancement of chemistry in the cosmetic industry, how it has developed, how it is coming up with latest products so that we are going to get better products and be more efficient, right?